those who watched the last video, you guys know what we gotta do now. We gotta test it, make sure we're back on full boost. Alright, wish me luck. You guys ready? We're back. Holy smokes. Oh my god. Alright, yeah, we're oh man. We hit a 30.8 pounds of boost, almost 31 pounds of boost. So let's go fill this baby up with fuel, head back home, seal up that boost leak, and see how much boost we make after that. Man, that felt good. Now, we just left the racetrack. That area where I did that pull, that is a closed racetrack. We are not doing this kind of stuff on the street. Just FYI for all you guys who keep asking me where am I doing my pulls. Private property. Sideways quick, man. I need to replace these tires. Let's go around this truck before we get some of that Final Fantasy stuff. Or is that what that movie is called? Wherever the stuff falls off the 18-wheeler? Need to get an alignment done on this car. Do any of you guys here in Fort Worth know of a really nice shop to get an alignment done? If you do, please let me know in the comments, because I need to get it done ASAP. Man, I always get confused here. I think I took the wrong exit. Oh wait, never mind. Right exit. Oh, it's so nice to drive this car again without any issues. Idling perfect, everything. Let's keep it that way. All right, what side is the gas pump? Oh yeah, it's on the passenger side. I think I need to drive the cars more often if I can't remember what side my gas pump, my fill thing is at. 427 for 85? You gotta be kidding me. Oh, it's already spilling gas, man. That's like $3 that I just spilled. Look at that. I just spilled another $5. What the hell is going on? Dude, that's pretty high for E85. $37 for half a tank. So yeah, it's expensive to fill this thing up now. Come on, man. And just as I expected, I forgot to put on a clamp. Damn it. Alright, this goes inside. No filter. It's for like a 67. Yeah. Yours? It's pretty cool. Coming to fill up cars with 85. You always meet pretty cool people. That's one of those RS3s, all-wheel drive turbos. He said he's making about 570 to the crank, so probably what, 520 to the wheels. Beautiful car. Damn it, should have followed him. Could have gotten him on my list of cars that I've taken down. So 37 times 2, that's like, damn, that's a lot to fill up a car like this. Oh well, it is what it is. So during those 10 minutes that I was there, 10-15 minutes that I was there, I had 3 people stop and say that they like the car. That will never get old, man. That's one of the things I love the most about these cars. It's just the attention that they get. Some people don't like that, man, but it's weird for me. I'm a big introverted person, but yes, things like that make me happy. Pretty happy about that. My ethanol percentage went up by a few percentages, so making more power and running safer. E85, man, that was a WS6. I'm gonna bust a Paul Walker, go chase that fool down. No, but E85, man, if you guys have like a car that's boosted, go to E85 and don't look back. I'm not sure if you guys are, and if any of you guys are on TikTok, there's a TikToker, his name's Toby V God, and he's got a Mustang and a Camaro. Several times I told him, dude, go 85, and whenever he finally switched to 85, it's just kind of like, dude, you're never gonna go back. E85 is the way to go. I'm not sure if you guys saw that, but that cop was right next to me. He stopped in the middle of the road, not even on a lane to change. I swear I thought he was gonna come after my ass. I mean, I don't know for what reason. I haven't broken any laws. Damn, yeah, but I puckered up on that one. I can't afford any tickets right now. Oh, I hate that bump. Man, I swear, driving this type of car with traffic, god damn, I hate that so much. I don't trust anyone on the road. By now you guys can see 700 plus horsepower Supra, big single turbo, full 85, 1800 horsepower capable fuel system. It is completely street, it is completely daily drivable. Temps are perfect. These cars are absolutely amazing once you get all these little small kinks figured out, but I mean the car drives perfect. I know I get frustrated with these cars, but once they're good, they're good. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video. Gonna seal that boost leak up. Probably gonna make 32, 33, maybe even more pounds of boost. Obviously it's gonna be a lot faster, so we'll go ahead and test it out, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully one of these days I can run into someone who would be somewhat of a good race. No matter what, when I drive this car, nobody pulls up on me. But when I'm driving the Eclipse or something else that's not as fast, always trying to race me. I don't know why. I hate traffic. People, stop moving to Texas and stay in your own state. God. Now I'm just kidding about that, you guys. Nobody get all sensitive. It was just a joke.